Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Guys, today I will show with you how to add the billing address on AliExpress application. The first step you need to do, guys, log in onto your account and on AliExpress app. After that, guys, go to setting, click this profile icon on setting and click the billing address or manage address, as you can see here of this app. And this an app option, guys, manage address, and click the add new address. If you want to add a new address, click add new address, on which click plus icon on the app, on case on the app. After that, guys, click your address, city, state, postal code, and phone number and country, and CPC specify, guys, billing address, and you can specify your address shipping then as the billing address, and click the save, guys. I hope this video, guys, helpful for you. Then don't forget subscribe and like and share this video for more content.